Welcome to City Update. I'm Sherry Crop. Well, hopefully by now you've got your Christmas shopping done and you're probably looking forward to having a couple of days off to spend time with your family for the holidays, just as we are here at the City of Fayetteville. Some of the services that we provide may be impacted by the holidays, so I'm going to give you a list of those right now. City administrative offices will be closed on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day. Fayetteville Cumberland Parks and Recreation will also be closed on those days. Parks that are gated will be closed on Christmas Day, but trails, green spaces, and parks that are not gated will remain open. Now for solid waste pickup, if you have pickup on Fridays for Christmas Day, your Friday pickup will be picked up on Wednesday, December the 23rd, and your Friday's recycling will be picked up on Saturday, December the 26th. For New Year's Day, your Friday's garbage collection and yard waste will be picked up on Wednesday, December the 30th, and your recycling will be picked up on Saturday, January the 2nd. For airport, the administrative offices will be closed on Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day. However, all other airport operations will remain open. Now, if you need information about travel or reservations, you would need to contact the airline services directly, but you can get that contact information by visiting flyfay.com. Fast bus services. They will have regular services on Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve, which runs from 5:30 a.m. in the morning to 7 p.m. in the evening. But they will be closed on Christmas Day and New Year's Day. No service on those days. So on behalf of the City of Fayetteville, we would like to wish you and your family a safe and happy holiday. We'll see you next time.